Nanababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank the Pantry and Company for sending us these amazing dishes, guys. Actually checking out their fan page just earlier before we start the vlog. Kita ko dito since 2019, they've been selling salad, fresh spring rolls, cakes and pastries, and burrito. Right now, guys, ang pinadala nila sa atin dito ay mga bao. If I'm not mistaken, these are popular in Taiwan or in China, which means soft steamed bread. If I'm not mistaken, no? Parang ganun yung ibig sabihin ng baos. Parang siyang ganito. It looks like this. Something like this. Yan. Again, based on my experience, para siyang, yung bread niya is yung ginagamit sa siopaw. Parang ganun yung consistency and texture. However, yung mga bao natin, guys, they have virtually unlimited flavor and stuffing, parang ganyan. Let's just name the food packages and kung ano yung mga flavor natin dito. So, let me start with crispy squid in cuttlefish ink. Ito naman yung kanilang Korean chicken. So, Korean chicken, Cajun shrimp with corn salsa. The second to the last naman is salmon teriyaki. Check out those salmon bits. And then lastly, we have our pulled pork bao. Guys, this is such an abundant, delivery. Again, we would like to thank the Pantry and Company. I think they advocate on, really fresh ingredients, fresh food that are really healthy and at the same time super tasty. And that's a good amount of squeezed lemon on top. And I have to commend, yung mga vegetables na they included in this bao are so really munchy. They're fresh, so green, so flavorful, no? Sa amoy pa lang, guys, talagang ibang-iba na yung lasa nila. Siguro last to taste is this Korean chicken with squeeze of lemon. This is big. And this is really big. So you have your chicken, and then you have your lettuce, samjang paste or sauce. Okay, so let's taste it. I'm surprised, guys. Grabe palang lasa nito. The Korean chicken. Is this a limited flavor? So it's a new flavor. Wow! I would like to commend the Pantry and Company for coming up with this really amazing flavor. Until the remaining time natin dito sa video, I'm gonna finish this. If you like the food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. This is a new discovery. For me, I mean, this is not normal sa mga dinideliver nilang pagkain dito sa bahay. Let's show appreciation and support to the Pantry and Company for, being such generous and allowing us to taste and experience this amazing flavor. Super duper impressed. And yeah, thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I'm gonna finish this, guys. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!